Buck. Come on. Skittle. And Bibi. Risey. Come. And Shiny. Hey. Hello. Risey. This is the second time he wears a bridle. And he's acting like he always does this. Oh. Oh. Kom maar. Goed zo. Oh, goed zo. Goed zo. Goed, braaf. Goed zo. Oh. Doe maar. Okay. I need 2 hands. Kom op. Doe maar. Well, this is the 3rd round, I think, and it's the 2nd time I do this. So I think he's doing great. Come. Goed zo, braaf. Kom. Okay, he trots okay, but it's not perfect. And when he's going a bit faster, you definitely can see he has wobbler. But I think it's better than last year. But I really don't know if it's going to be much better. Saly, Blomke, oh, Reintje. There's some fiber grass from Florian in it, and Reintje eats it. Oh. Baukje. Now it's time to lunge Saly again. And I really don't like it. She's so skinny over the back. I asked 2 vets or more, and I asked 3 food experts for help. So everyone has some advice, and yeah, we try. I can't explain it that good in English. Maar daar hebben we een paar veeartsen nog en een paar mensen die eten verkeepje. En de meesten zeggen van ja, dat doet het eigenlijk al goed genoeg. Maar wat ik had furry en wat ik jou had al heel skoft extra eten. En die zeggen ja, we kunnen eigenlijk net volle meer doen. En de veearts zei van we kunnen nog een keer haar gebit besjen, want die heb ik vorige maand dwan litten. En we gaan even bloed nemen en dan zien als we wat vinden kunnen of zo. En misschien neemt de vallen wel echt heel soort van haar. Ik weet het niet. Maar ik dacht in ieder geval mijn best. Okay, this is Saly her tail. I combed it and it's all the way to the ground. So I have to cut the tail, but here I do. Look, she's standing op rust. So of course. Now it's not on the ground, but a little shorter is better. This is better. It's just a little bit. Reintje en Baukje. Coralle. Saly, Blomke. En oh, je maait er net uit. Ja. Skittle, Puck, Shiny en Bibi. Oh, daar komt het stroomapparaat aan. Pakketje! Shiny. Risey and Yfke. There it is. Hey, it's you on a picture. Well, I don't know if he likes it. Look. No? No, not a good idea. No, not yet. Should I see? Good so. Okay, I'm going to try it inside later because it's a bit windy now, so the flies don't fly that much. So I'm going to try it when he's quiet, and I think this is good from him. Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Daarvoor Yfke. Goed zo. Nee, Shani. Hoi, Bibi. Toe. Oh, Bibi. Hey, hallo. Hier is Yfke. Yfke. Hey. Reintje en Baukje. Hey. Hallo. Nee, doei. Puk. Shake, goed zo. Skittle. Hi. I open this one for Coralle and Belle. Hey Risey. Risey. Hello? What's happening over there? Hey! Nothing. But it starts to rain. Again. Yeah. There's power on the wire. Hey Belle. Coralle. Okay. And I have to turn off this power. I'm not sure yet where to put that one.